Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, fellow acolytes and C++ interested people. Today we want to build on top of what we learned in the 0th episode, just to build upon a little bit and go through text formatting. And also I want to show you how you can get an empty project where you don't have to click on project and edit the project settings to disable the precompiled headers. This is pretty easy. Just click a new project and don't click on Visual C++ console application. Click on Visual C++ or open it up and choose Windows Desktop and then choose Windows Desktop Wizard. Alright, let's specify a name. We call this post address and then hit OK. And then you just tick off the precompiled headers and everything else. This should be console application because we want the console application. And if you tick empty project, you have to write the main function by yourself. But if you tick off the precompiled header, you will be greeted with a nice and clean little page with the main function, and everything is in check here. All right, nice. So before we go through today's problem or question, I want to show you some kind of text formatting, and this is, oops, this is this nice program. Yeah, so about formatting. If you put in your text a \A, upon entering this line, you will hear the standard Windows error sound, as you can hear. There it is. And if I delete this \A, oh yeah, that's right. I have it in every line. See, no sound whatsoever. So if we put it back in, there it is. All right, so a horizontal tab is made with \T. I use this one in every line. \V will make a vertical tab, so that's why there's a space here. \N, as you might know, will make a new line. A \\/ prints a single \, and \text mark will print single text marks, right? And as we can see, I made a little error here because I need another \. And as you can see, right, \. And as you can see, video is still running, good. These are very untidy because you could separate them with space marks. Wouldn't matter too much, but this will make your lines longer. So if there is another piece of text behind these formatting helps or formatting tools, like let's say another test word. All right, as you can see, all right, this is on the next line. Let's put away this \n. You see, there is this amount of space in between. So if you want your text nice and tidy, keep in mind to keep these formatting helps together. All right, okay. So again, I don't know why there is a real tab. \A will sound a Windows alarm sound. \T will make a horizontal tab. \V will make a vertical tab. \N will make a new line, which is the same as endl. \\/ prints a single backslash, and \text mark will print text mark. All right, good. So let me check. This is just explaining stuff, right? Just for my personal documentation. This is where the fun begins. All right. So before I show you the solution, I'll go through you to today's topic, which is to print out a single post address, and any address will do. You don't have to use your own address, just make one up. So I'll open here Notepad++, right? And so we want to print out an address, a post address. So how does it look? The post address. So my post address is Acolyte Arathok. In Germany you have your zip code 0109120, and the city is Chemnitz, and the address is 8120 Imaginary Road, right? So the post address is nicely formatted. It probably starts out with a horizontal tab, but everything stands below each other, and so we don't want to see anything like that or worse like that. But in C++ you will probably not encounter this problem. So this program should be easy for you now that you know that you have to include the IO stream, and do not forget always we are using namespace std and cout and the angle brackets in the direction of the cout, and the rest is your choice. So on these angle brackets, always, if you tend to forget the direction, just imagine cout is your monitor and you want to put something onto your monitor, and that's why these angle brackets have to show into the direction of cout. All right, good. Okay, I'll pause the video now for 5 to 10 seconds, and then I'll show you the solution. So if you want to code at home or code along at home, just do so, and here comes the solution. All right. First, we have an error on line 10, really, but this is not really an error. No. Okay, sometimes IntelliSense fucks up. All right, so we want a nice little post address. So in Germany, it's made out of 3 lines. So let's see here. I'll use the end line command just for fun. So I'll make myself some template lines. All right, and let's make 4. Right, so this is the post address of Acolyte Arathok. Okay. And then a little bit of decoration. And then I'll start with a horizontal tab. And we can make it tidy or not. The zip code and the city. Oh, perhaps I should bring my name. So \t glide Arathok. I can't write today. So it's clear we need another \t now. Wait, 1, 2, 3, imaginary road. Right, so this should be it. Let's check. Right, and there is my little nice post address. So now we could tidy this up a little bit more if we wanted to. So let's say name and another \t. If you use \t, you don't need a space. So now it's the text. That's the irony. Yeah, the irony of this thing. While with text formatting, your output text gets very nice and tidy, your input or code text will be zip code and city. Oops. And now street. Right. So if we open this program now, we have mush here. So what happened there? Right, we made tabs, but something went wrong here, right? So if you make tabs, always keep in mind that under certain circumstances, you have to make more tabs than you think. So let's see, let's give it 4 more tabs. Ooh, that was too much. So I guess 3. 3 looks nice. And as you can see here, we have this one little space. So let's see. Aha, there's a space. Let's get rid of it. Nice. Okay, now we just need tabs for the street. So let's say 1, 2, 3 again. Ah, we need another one. Perhaps even yet another one. Too much. Okay. And there's our address, nice and fine. Name, zip code and city, and the street, and everything is nice. So this concludes today's lesson. I strongly recommend you play around for a little bit more with text formatting tools, so you get them in your blood, or you can write them down in a text file and put it somewhere where you know that you use it. And if you have any questions or want to show off your program, I recommend you join the Discord. Link is in the description, where you can upload your CPP file and show it to me, or just copy your code in, if it's not too long, and post it directly into the channel. But yeah, you can look into your C++ folder where you've saved your project and just go in there, and there you've got the CPP data, this data file, sorry, which you can just edit with a text editor. And as you can see, there is the code as well. So if you want to upload your CPP data file onto the Discord, that's fine as well. All right, and this concludes today's lesson. And next lesson we will talk about variables and make a nice little calculation program. Yeah, and then we'll do a little bit more with cout, and we learn how to make entries as a user. Like you can print out, hello, what is your name? And we'll let the user type in, hopefully it's his name, but and then he'll return the line, yeah, hello, your name is or hello and name. So yeah, definitely stay tuned for the next lesson of this. I hope you have as much fun as I have, and as always, if you have any suggestions about the commentary or about the structure of these lessons, just write a comment. I'm open for everything. Alright, so I hope you've learned something. Have a nice day. Bye bye.